Hi, I did a little search to see what I could learn about boot jacks. They are also called boot pullers. Apparently, they were invented so that a person would not have to bend over to remove their boots. This boot jack is made by JobSite. It's made with quality hardwood with rubber scuff protector around the inside rim, slightly padded at the very back where your boot goes so that it won't scuff or discolor nice boots. You just place your foot in the U shape with your heel against the back. There's a pad on top where you place your other foot to hold the boot jack down. On the bottom, the wide leg is padded. It's made to accommodate both regular and oversized boots, cowboy boots, work boots, rubber boots, muck boots, hunter boots, snowboard boots, and ski boots. It also works for shoes. I use it for the old sneakers I wear for gardening. The first time I tried using the boot jack, I was surprised at how easily those shoes came off. I didn't even have to untie the laces. The boot jack works great for my oversized rubber boots too. At the top, it has a hanger so that you can hang it on the wall if you want to. It's lightweight and it's portable. I highly recommend this boot jack.